What is up? It's your boy Josiah Hine. In this video I want to talk to you about friends, how to keep them, and how to be that friend that you probably have always wanted. I'm here at Horsehead Rock, and I've actually been taking photos and literally like sitting there going, my new buddy Simon Beadle literally taught me everything that I know, and I'm so grateful for him. But what your friends are like is out of your control, but what's in your control is who you are, man, and who you're gonna choose to be. And I'm gonna talk to you about my 3 top tips for being a great friend to have up in here from Horsehead Rock. Bless you guys, peace. A major thing is honesty. If you're not honest, you might feel better about yourself for a little bit, but the reality is you're gonna have a reputation for not being honest. It always comes back. So just be honest. I know, like when I was a kid, I had this revelation where like I'm so pumped that I just started telling the girl that I liked, oh, I hate Pringles, and I owned it. And rather than being like, oi, you like Pringles? Yeah, Pringles are my favorite. And it's like this insecure thing. It's so much better to actually just tell people what you like and don't like. I think that's hard when it's like things that maybe people want you to like, or maybe it's something that someone put a lot of effort into, like a gift or something, and you're just kind of like, not knocking it, but people can take it personal, you know? Just running through the waves here. Oh, and that's just part of it, man. And in the end, I don't know, like I was with my best buddy Nate Mavis, and his wife Alex made these muffins, these banana muffins, and like, do you like them? Babe, no. I love you, honey. Hate, not really into the muffins, but love you. And his theory was like, man, what if I say I like them, then she's gonna make them again, and my whole life, and then what, we come, you know, when we're 60, it's like, actually I never liked those, babe. And it's like, just be up front. And obviously his delivery was funny, but I think that's really key, eh? All right, the next thing is to be an encouraging person. Is to actually just encourage your friends, be kind. Man, it's so nice being around people that just appreciate what you're wearing, or your hair, or just whatever. Like, it's actually a beautiful feeling, and if that's something you want to receive, well, you probably got to do that in return first. Otherwise, why the heck would people, boy, some people passing by. What's up, guys? How are you? Good, man, living the dream. And, oh wow, that rock is not stable. Yeah, it's like, be kind, say hello. Don't be all bummed out. Oh, no one ever asks me how I am. How many people do you ask how they are? Why don't you start the conversation? Don't like sit there like simple plan and go, I wake up, it was 7, I waited till 11 just to figure out that no one would call. You think you got a lot of friends? Well, I don't hear from them. What's another night all alone when you're spending every day on your own? And here it goes. Like, that's just stupid, man. Don't wait for your friends to call. Call them, because they might be flipping sitting there thinking the same thing about you. So why don't you make the effort, reach out, be the kind person, be the first person to encourage, be generous with compliments, be generous with your attitude, and encouraging people to apply for that new job, and, you know, tell them, hey, they're gonna do really good in that interview they're worried about. And just being generally kind and a good-hearted, generous person is gonna get you a long, long way. Okay, and the third and final thing is take the leap. Whoa. I don't know if that was the third thing, but yeah, well, listen, take a leap. You may as well, you know, reach out and you know, ask your friends to go to the movies. Ask your friends. Make appointments. Make a party. And that wasn't my third point, but I was making a leap, so I wanted to share it with you. All right, so the final thing is being trusting and forgiving. I think this is the #1 relationship destroyer, is actually just people do stuff wrong and you have to forgive them. If you don't, you're gonna have no friends. It's the friends that have betrayed you or done something that, you know, really just you hated. This is one thing that I regret, and like, I don't want to come across like some expert and go, I've been through it all, but like, I've found the hard way that forgiveness is a key. Like my best friend in high school, Zach Graisley, him and me did everything together, man. We were doing trip gym, and we got there late to religion class, and the teacher there was like, you know, just we had the 60s corner, and like I walked in, I'm like shotgun that seat next to this guy, and Graisley just sat there, and I like walked up and just slapped him across the back of the head, and then he didn't move, so I did it again, and then he just gets up and just decks me twice in the face, just rocks me, right? And I remember like just feeling like just hurt, betrayed, and I basically pulled back, stopped calling him, stopped hanging with him, and man, I moved to Australia like a year later or something, and Graisley came up to me going, just in tears, like just rocked that like I was moving away, and he's like, dude, I'm so sorry about that. Like, I'm so sorry that I punched you in the face. And like, had I have just moved on and been a big person and just forgave him straight away, we could have enjoyed that last year. But instead, it was this weird finish, and yeah, I'm just not that close with Zach these days, and part of that's my fault of just being just unwilling to forgive people. Guys, people make mistakes. You have made mistakes. So you just have to find a way to just forgive and let it go, you know? And that's, guys, so those are my 3 tips. #1, be honest, truthful, no matter what. #2, be kind-hearted, generous-hearted, generous with your words, with your money. Be that person that reaches out, that makes the first step. And #3, forgive and trust again. You gotta learn to trust again, man. And forgive, because otherwise it's, yeah, you're gonna miss out and be, like I just picture those, you know, those old people who are kind of embittered about life, and they don't talk to anyone, and they're still angry about something that happened 20 years ago. And man, I just don't want to be that guy, and that might mean forgiving, and just so key. Alright, so I'm rolling up the beach right now and met this angel right here. Alright, so wait, what's your name?
Hannah.
Hannah. Alright, Hannah, so what's your #1 tip, Hannah, for being a good friend?
I think to be a good friend, you need to be honest and loyal to yourself, and forgive people even though if they might do something bad. You forgive them because it might just be one mistake.
Jeez, she is on point, ladies and gentlemen. Hannah, hit me. Boom. New subscriber, by the way. Hannah. Boom. Bless you guys. Oh, if you like this video, hit that like button, smash that subscription if that's what you're into. As always, Jesus loves you. Josiah Hine out.